I'm Aparna Samant. I'm the director of Samantas. So these are my lehenga collections. Yeah, these all are Odisha fabric. Yeah, I am from Odisha. So we are basically only working for the Odia fabric. And I was here, I was working as a IT engineer from Bangalore only I started. So I really want to start all this brand from Bangalore.
Our Khandwa, our Bomkai, our Sambalpuri, all are unique. And you might have known, sir, in textile, Odisha to fit ahead. Our family, we are revolving around my brother, me, and all our family members. Art, culture, literature, and heritage. We love it. It's so rich and so high because everything is handmade. We are also Banaras is handmade. So many fabrics is handmade, but it's so rich. Bandha, Ikat, Khandwa, Barampuri, Sambalpuri, these all are. There are silk, there are cotton, everything present here. But if we will touch, we will let you know that this is Odisha fabrics. But in Samantas, what we are doing, there are fabrics. We are keeping intact our tradition. We are making it completely new. जैसे कि अभी ये न्यू शी इज वेयरिंग ए ओडिशा फैब्रिक आई एम आल्सो wearing Odisha fabric. Both of us, we are wearing Odisha fabric.
So this is our logo. This is the Pipili, it's a place in Odisha. This is the Pipili walk and these are the temples.
These are the our Bandha.
Yeah, these are Bandha and this is the temple.
This is something. This is something from Bargarh, some place in Odisha. This is something from Berhampur. These are all Bandha material, and we made these studies. I have put it here. The thing specifically, this is called Rudraksha. This is the symbol of Odisha fabric. This is Rudraksha, and these are the symbols of particular symbols of Odisha fabrics. And this is we call tissue Banarasi in Odisha. And this is Pasapali with Bandha border. These are all Pasapali we call. In Odisha fabrics we put Jardosi work. And the painting, all about our tradition Radha Krishna Leela. I made this sari from material and put this border, and the painting tells all about Radha Krishna Leela. Like all this.
In Odisha, different parts of Odisha, you will find some specialities. Pipili has got a unique design of. So it is known by only the Pipili throughout the world, because the visitors, devotees come from different parts of the world to Puri. So whenever you want to go to Puri, you will have to cross Pipili. So this Pipili design is known throughout the world. Similarly, in Odisha, another place is there, that is at Sambalpur. Sambalpur is at least half of the Odisha is covered by Sambalpuri sarees, dress materials, everything, and so popularly known as Meher's brand. So, but there are some problems with them. So we thought that why not to start our brand, and in a different way we want to present. And moreover, these weavers, so if they are properly taken care of, so that we can expect some more design from them. Normally, during this COVID period, almost they are starving. Why this idea came to our people to start this Samantas brand? It is only because though they are great artisans, then neither there is publicity nor they are not properly taken care of. Of course, I cannot blame the government, but that is the real position. So, my younger brother, Dr. Samantas, so he is a great philanthropist, social worker, presently member of Parliament. So he thought that why not to do something for the weavers. That is a great solution. He has been doing so many things for tribals on education field, as you must be knowing. So why not for the weavers? Because Odisha is known for all sorts of arts. Weaving is one of the arts, but it is known for all sorts of arts. In music, in drawing, in dance, Odisha does everything. Because Odisha is popularly known for its culture, so why not to take care of the weavers?
So we have went there and made sure that the weaver got it from there. And everything has been designed by Dr. Amanda. So everything is Odia. They're all hand-painted and don't go after wash. So this is also Odia fabric. It's a modern.
This is so nice because fashion should always keep with the changing times.
We have made overcoats for both men and women out of Odia fabrics.
Very interesting.
This is like this. This is a famous called Radha Krishna art. This is a very exclusively Odia kind of art. So this is what we call Potter Chitra. That's what we have made it on the sari.
So the Potter Chitra art you have put it on
Sari. So the painters who painted on cloth, they painted it on sari. Beautiful. This is one of the most exclusive ones. This is one. And the thing is, we have designed one each. Each copy one design. We have not.
So there's no. You will never get a second
everything
one.
is a unique.
Because when I see these collections, of course, I can so relate to the art form of Odisha. And they say Odisha is one of the cities where you can find artists in every corner of the house, or maybe every household serves an artist indeed. So Samantha is one such brand which definitely offers you the best handmade, handcrafted sarees and collections.
I am very attracted with this print actually, and as soon as I saw means it's a wow, amazing collection.
Collection is fabulous, you know. It's giving us a real taste of Orissa, and this is the first time I'm exposing to this kind of designs, and you know, I didn't know it's so intense. It's beautiful, and the colors are so vibrant, and I'm really liking it. It's beautiful. It's one of the unique collection I had ever seen.
I really did not imagine it's going to be so beautiful. The colors, you all know that Odisha is rich in culture, in tradition, colors, arts, and everything.
When I came to Samantha, and it's a mind-blowing designs, and definitely I appreciate the designs what they have put into the saris and the lehengas. This is exactly like what I put my designs in my canvas.
And these sarees are hand painted, the clothing and everything. After 2020, it's a very reveling year. So I think I will be wearing more Indian designers now.
So I actually like the collection very much because it's very vibrant and it's very artistic. It's a lot of hand paint and it's very unique. So I just like it so much.
Happy to hear like they're promoting the tribal of Odisha and their work and their handicraft and workmanship and everything. Products are wonderful. I'm just waiting for this launch of their website to happen. I may be the first person to do some kind of online shopping.